Discord quality of service high packet priority is not working, and we're fixing it right now. If your Discord voice chat sounds like you're underwater or your game audio is stuttering, this video will get that CoreOS setting back online instantly. First, we're going to completely close Discord. Then dive into its settings to toggle developer mode off and then back on, because sometimes this simple reset clears the communication pathway. After that, restart Discord and check if the quality of service setting is now active. If that doesn't clear the error, the issue usually stems deeper in system permissions, which brings us to method 2, where we'll adjust Windows network prioritization by going into your network adapter settings, finding your active connection, right-clicking for properties, and then toggling the CoreOS packet scheduler off and back on. This forces Windows to reevaluate how it's prioritizing network traffic. For method 3, we're simplifying within Discord itself by going to voice and video settings, finding the quality of service toggle, turning it off, then immediately back on, and saving the changes. This direct re-engagement often resolves the glitch. Finally, in method 4, we'll check Discord's advanced settings for any experimental features that might be interfering, disabling them and restarting Discord to see if the CoreOS priority finally kicks in, restoring your crystal clear audio.